Well, hey there, campers. Welcome back again to Camp Confidence. This week, we've learned about those ouch moments. We're going to end our lesson today with another mindfulness activity. A few weeks ago, I taught you how to make a rainstorm. I told you the challenge would get a little more difficult week after week. This week, we're going to make a rainstorm, but you won't have a video to watch. You're going to have to use your ears to listen to my words. Remember, when I say rain, pitter patter. When I say wind, rub those hands together. When I say lightning, clap above your head. And when I say thunder, stomp your feet. Close your eyes. Let's begin. The rain begins. Rain, rain, wind, wind, rain. The wind blows harder. Wind, 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 thunder. A sudden lightning and more thunder. Thunder. The storm is wild. Listen closely. Rain, wind, lightning, rain, thunder, lightning, wind, rain. Did you keep up? Let's try another. Wind, rain, thunder, lightning, lightning, rain, wind, thunder. This storm is unpredictable now. Rain, rain, wind, thunder, wind, lightning, rain, thunder, thunder, rain. Pause. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out your mouth. Now one last storm. Wind, rain, lightning, thunder, wind, rain, thunder, lightning. Pause. Breathe in through your nose, out your mouth. The storm slows down. Hear the light thunder. Gentle wind. The rain stops, and then quiet. Breathe in and out. See you guys next week for Camp Confidence.